guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. My name is Cynthia. If you're coming across my video for the first time, you're welcome to the channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are highly welcome. I'm going to be showing us how to make this dress. This is a requested video from one of my subscribers. I have 2 yards of crepe fabric here. It's a lightweight scuba fabric. It's a two-phase fabric. I'll be making use of this side. I'll be making use of this plain side. So we'll go ahead and fold our fabric into two. I folded into two this way. I'll fold it again into 4. We'll go ahead and place the measurement. I will mark the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement is 10 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches. I'll add extra ½ inch for sewing allowance. That's 8.5 inches. I mark my 8.5 inches here. I will mark 3.5 inches for the wideness of the neck. 3.5 inches is the neck width. I will mark 1.5 inches for the back depth and 3 inches for the front depth. I will mark 1 inch for shoulder slope here, right on the shoulder measurement. I will connect the shoulder slope to the neckline. So I will take my armhole measurement. The armhole measurement I'm working with is 8 inches. I'll mark 8 inches here. To get your armhole measurement, you divide your bust measurement by 6 plus 1.5 inches. I'm working with a sleeveless dress. I'm supposed to measure 8 inches because I don't want this side to be too open. I mark 7.5 inches because I don't want it to be too wide. I'll connect it like so. I'll go ahead and look for the midpoint of the armhole. The midpoint is 3 3/4. Quarter of the bust measurement is 10.5 inches. I'll mark extra 2 inches to it. This is the back armhole. I will come inside by ½ inch. This is the front armhole, right from the midpoint here. Still connect it like so. So right from here, I will take the waist measurement. I will take 17 inches for the waistline. This is 17 inches. I will take it from here. Just bring it to the waistline. From the waistline, I will make a curve here. I'll curve it like so. That means I'm making use of this whole part. The dress length is 36 inches. I'll add 1 inch for sewing allowance. That's 37 inches. So the weight is 27 inches and the length is 36 inches. Just from here, you bring it down to the waistline. From the waistline, you make a curve here, like so. I will go ahead and then cut it out. I will cut the back neckline, take it down, then curve it here. I'll bring the front part out. So I'm going to cut out the front neckline. I'll just cut out a little bit from the armhole here, not much. I will be joining them together. I will use a bias tip to hem the neckline. I will stitch it right from the front and turn it to the back. I will hem the armhole as well. I will use a bias tip to hem the armhole and the neckline. After I've done that, I will join the front and the back together. Like I said earlier, it's very easy to make. So I will lay them against each other, right side facing right side. After hemming the armhole and the neckline, I will use ½ inch to join the shoulders and stitch the side here. I will take it right from the armpit here, stitch the curve here, and leave this side open. I will hem this side with 1 inch and hem the bottom part with 1 inch. I will repeat the same thing for this side. Stitch up this curved side and leave this side open. and I will also hem it. So guys, I'm done stitching the dress. I've hemmed the neckline, the armhole, and the side. So this side is open. This side. It's very easy to make. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're here for the first time, please subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.